In this video, I am going to show you how to check for a 3-month free trial offer on YouTube TV. While YouTube TV typically offers a 7-day or 14-day free trial, they occasionally run promotions that extend the trial period to 3 months, often through partnerships or special deals. To find these offers, start by visiting the official YouTube TV website or app and look for any active promotions during the sign-up process. You can also search online for terms like YouTube TV 3-month free trial, or check trusted coupon websites, forums like Reddit, or promotional newsletters from Google or YouTube. Additionally, keep an eye on your email if you're subscribed to Google or YouTube updates, as they sometimes send exclusive offers to their users. If you're part of a specific group, such as students, military members, or first-time subscribers, you may qualify for extended trial periods. Once you locate a valid 3-month offer, follow the instructions to sign up and confirm the trial duration in your account settings under Membership to avoid unexpected charges. Remember to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to transition to a paid subscription. If this video helped you learn how to check for a 3-month free trial on YouTube TV, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.